Let's do the next one, that is the second problem. Okay, so here find the derivative. This is using the general method, not first principle. Okay, so derivative using assuming they are given some constant values, assuming that a, b, c, d, p, q, r, s all to be non-zero constants. Okay, some numbers, they are some constant numbers, and m and n are some integers. Okay, those are also numbers, no problem. So only x is a variable. Okay, remaining all are constants, assuming to be constants. Okay, now the second one is f of x is equal to x plus c. So d by dx of f of x will be d by dx of x plus a. Okay, derivative of the function is equal to derivative of x plus a, which is equal to, now when we split this, d by dx of x plus d by dx of a. Okay, so the derivative of x will be 1. Okay, plus the derivative of a constant will be 0, because a is, they said here a is a constant. Okay, so we have 1. Okay, that's it. This is the answer. Now let's do the third one, that is d by dx of the derivative of px plus q multiplied by r by x plus s. Okay, now assuming this to be two functions. Okay, this one function, this one function. Okay, so in the algebra of derivatives you have the theorem, that is the product of two functions, the derivative of the product of two functions f of x and g of x. Okay, will be, there's a formula, that is d by dx of the derivative of the first function multiplied by the second function plus first function as it is and the derivative of the second function. Okay, this is the formula. We have done earlier this kind of problems, that is, this is exactly the same as the uv method. Okay, the first function is u, so the second function is v. Okay, the u dot v or u multiplied v. Okay, so this is also product of two functions. So the derivative of the product of two functions will be u, in terms of uv it will be uv, that the notation will be uv dash. Okay, here it's d by dx, here is dash, uv dash. This is the derivative. Okay, so uv dash will be derivative of the first function, that is u dash, multiplied by the second, that is v, plus first function as it is, that is u, and the derivative of the second function, that is v dash. Okay, these both are same. Okay, same formulas, just only its look changes. Okay, only we're using small letters so that the size may be decreased. These both are same. Okay, just the notations changes. Okay, so now let's use this and solve it. Okay, earlier we have done with using this, now let's use this one. So d by dx of the two functions u and v, first function and second function, or f of x and g of x. Okay, so it will be derivative of the first function f of x, so d by dx of px plus q multiplied by the second function g of x, r by x plus s will be this way, plus first function px plus q, derivative of the second function d by dx of r by x plus s. Okay, so now let's distribute the derivative notations. So d by dx of px plus d by dx of q and r by x plus s plus px plus q, now d by dx of r by x plus d by dx of s. Okay, so this will be the constant. P is a constant, so P can be brought out. P d by dx of x plus Q is a constant, so the derivative of the constant is 0. R by x plus s. Okay, plus px plus q. Now r is a constant, r can be brought out, so r d by dx of 1 upon x. Now 1 upon x plus, this is constant, so derivative of constant is 0. Okay, so this becomes, the derivative of x is 1, so this becomes 1 into p plus 0, r by x plus s plus px plus q. Now r, now this can be written as d by dx of x raised to, when we take x to the numerator, it becomes x raised to minus 1. Okay, so now this is in the form x raised to n. Now this becomes p into, p into r by x plus s plus px plus q r. Now this becomes minus 1 upon x raised to minus 1 minus 1. Okay, the power rule formula we apply here. So this becomes, let's multiply p inside. Okay, pr upon x, pr upon x plus ps plus px plus q. Okay, now this becomes minus r x raised to minus 2. Okay, so pr by x plus ps plus px plus q. Now let's multiply. Okay, px plus q minus r. Let's bring the x raised to negative 2 to the denominator, so it becomes minus r upon x square. Okay, now let's multiply this inward, so this becomes pr upon x plus ps. Now this becomes minus r by x square into px becomes negative pxr. Okay, upon x square plus, again minus into minus becomes minus into plus becomes minus qr upon x square. Now you see here we have one x and one x goes, so it becomes, this becomes pr upon x plus ps minus pr, okay, upon x minus qr upon x square. Now you see positive pr by x and negative pr by x. Okay, so this both goes, you have ps negative qr upon x square. Okay, hope this is the answer. Let's see.